Let's make this delicious and mouth-watering mutton keema kachori. This keema kachori is favorite among meat lovers and it's known for its rich and satisfying texture. In a bowl, take maida flour, add carom seeds in it, salt in the flour, mix well and rub the flour for 6 to 7 minutes with your palm. Add melted ghee in the flour. Mix. Pour the leftover ghee. Mix well. And rub for 6 to 7 minutes before adding water. Rub like this for the satisfying texture of kachoris. Add water to it. Mix well. Make a stiff dough. The dough should be little stiff. The dough mix is ready. Apply the oil on top to avoid the dryness. Cover and rest for 20 to 25 minutes. Don't skip this step because it's mandatory to rest the dough for at least 20 to 25 minutes. Let's prepare the stuffing for kachoris. Heat kadhai, add oil, add ginger garlic paste. Saute for 30 seconds on medium heat. Now add chopped green chilies. Mix and saute well for 10 seconds. Add minced mutton in the kadhai. Cook till the mutton keema turns off white in color. Saute well on medium heat till the keema changes its color. Dry off the water completely. Add salt in it, red chili powder, cumin powder, add coriander powder, add garam masala powder and chaat masala. Mix well on low heat. Add water to it. Cover and tender the mutton keema for 12 to 15 minutes on low flame. Open the lid. Add chopped onions. Mix well and cook for 2 minutes on medium heat. Add chopped coriander leaves for amazing taste and fragrance. Lastly, add juice of lemon. Mix well and dry off the water completely. Now take the dough, Divide the dough into 6 parts equally. Take one part of the dough, roll out with the help of a rolling pin like this. Fill the keema stuffing in the center. Make a ball using this folding technique. This is the same process that we do for momos or dumplings. Press a little. You don't have to use a rolling pin again. Kachori is ready with filling. Make all the kachoris like this. Heat oil in a karhai. Make sure oil should be moderate hot. Add all the kachoris in it. Fry the kachoris on low flame or it will burn. After 5 to 7 minutes, you can turn the kachoris and cook for 15 to 16 minutes on low flame. Cook till golden and crisp. The kachoris are ready. Enjoy it with fried chilies and onion. It can be enjoyed as meal or as a main course. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.